No, not in my mouth. No, no, not in my mouth. I'll get you. I'll get you. No, no, not in Mommy's mouth.
Maggie's mouth?
No, not in Maggie's mouth. Maggie's a dog.
Maggie's mouth?
No, Maggie's a dog. Oops.
Pippa and Mommy are having a lightsaber duel. Show us what you're lightsaber dueling with. Darth Vader.
Yoda. Darth Vader.
Nice.
Where's that?
That's Darth Vader.
That's Yoda.
I think she was pointing at Darth
Where's
Vader.
that?
This one's Darth Vader. Who's this?
That.
Darth Vader.
Where's that?
Yoda. Can you say Yoda? Yoda.
Okay, give it to her.
Where's there?
Yeah, you hold one. Which one do you want?
There.
Okay, let's fight. That's his arm. Can you move his arm?
It's thick.
Yeah. It's a little bit stuck. He's just a toy. Goes up and down.